So make sure to log in with your first initial last name. And I believe James is the only one that changes passwords, so your password should be capital W and the word welcome. So WELCOME with a capital W. If that doesn't work, just let me know and I can change the password to whatever you'd like it to be. And as you log in, you'll see widgets, which is right here, or assessments. And you want to click on the assessments list, which will bring you to the next screen to search for the default social studies writing benchmark. And you can see that you can find assessments that you've made, that others have made, or that some that are shared with you. You can put in the year and then your department, but in your assessment list you should see this one, the rubric for time expository essay social studies. And what you're going to do and what you're going to see in the next couple of screens is how do you duplicate that and then create it for your class with the specific name of your class, and then if it's part of Unit 1 or Unit 2. And then I'll show you the results of Biggs's Unit 1, so you can kind of see the performance bands that we decided. So once you click on it and it comes up, notice the rubric for timed expository essays. You're going to click Advanced, and then you're going to click Duplicate Assessment. Once you duplicate it, you'll see that it says Copy. And then you go ahead and go to information, and in information you can put all of the titling information you want for your assessment. This is a rubric, we're calling it, but it is basically an assessment in Illuminate, but we're sharing the rubric and then you can turn it into any name you want it to. So let's go to the next slide. And once you click on information, this shows up, and you can obviously delete, copy, and name it anything you want. Make sure to I'd put a local identifier if you want, a little description if you want. Leave everything else pretty much the same, the academic year, subject, and the performance band the same as the duplicated one. And I'm demoing this for Melina, so let's just say I put in WH1 Unit 1. You could put the same thing if you want, WH1 Unit 1, or SS9 CP Unit 1 or something like that, but then you leave everything else the same, and notice down there the performance band is what you want, the social studies performance band. Now once you go to the new named assignment, you're going to see an overview, setup, and under administration now you're pretty much ready to print answer sheets. And then after you print the answer sheets, you're going to go ahead and fill in the 4 areas of their writing, and you're going to assess it on those 4 areas. And then you can go ahead and scan the bubble sheets. And here it gives you a choice. If you want pre-slugged, you can print blank. And all you have to do is pick your course, not each section, but the one course, and it'll give you all of your kids that you need. And there you go. It starts with all the kids, and you're going to, obviously 1 does not meet standards, and 5 is obviously an A, but we're kind of just trying to do it as holistic as possible, but Illuminate still has to give percentage or some variable for a score of what a 5 is. And when you divide 4 out of 5 or 3 out of 5, you get a disparagingly like the bottom percentile, which kind of skews the achievement graph. So we built a performance band that was acceptable to you guys, and we can always change it if you are not thrilled with it, but it's just kind of the best Illuminate would do. And these print out on one sheets. You can download the file and it comes out of one sheet. You can print this and then cut them if you want into little boxes, but I would just do 1 grid per 1 sheet. And after filled out and scored, you can kind of see that 1 kid got all 5s, bunch got like 4s, bunch got 3s, and that's all you have. And then we broke it down even more. We did question bands, so the first question or criterion in the rubric is the intro, coherence, supporting details, and then topic senses linked to thesis and content. And then it also does the performance by standard achievement. So I hope this helps you guys, and please email me with questions. I can definitely come and individually meet with you, help you duplicate and name it. If you want me to be there for the first time, I can. Just let me know. Thanks.